This is Daniel Cho from Wealth Warriors. So I just want to do this quick training to show you how me and Nate, we gain over 2,100 new followers on a brand new social media account in less than 8 hours. Okay? And if this is the first time you see me, my name is Daniel Cho. I'm the co-founder of Wealth Warriors. So our company helping ordinary people just like you and me to make their first $5,000 per month online, first $10,000 online through affiliate marketing. And also our company, our team also help business owners and coaches, consultants use social media platforms to double, triple their current income. Let's jump right into it, okay? So I'm going to show you my cell phone screen and I will show you how to gain new followers. You can do this even if you are brand new. A lot of people out there, they don't know how to drive traffic, how to gain followers. I see so many beginners, they have been doing this for months, but their social media account just don't grow. Without this, you have no sales. Without sales, you have no revenue. If you cannot even bring in revenue, then you have no business. So the very first step is that you have to know where to get leads. How can I bring more eyeballs to my business, regardless what niche you are in, okay? And today I want to show you this new strategy. Basically, Mark Zuckerberg, Meta, Facebook owner, they just launched this new platform. When social media, their platform just got launched, just like 3 years ago when TikTok first got launched. If you jump on that trend, very easy for you to build a huge following. If you are brand new, if you are modeling what we are doing here, you can build your small tribe. You can build your following. With proper nurturing, okay, you can make money. And today I want to show you the strategy I'm going to show you. You don't need to spend any money on pay ads. I see a lot of beginners when they are struggling in driving traffic, gaining more new leads for their social media account or for their business. Out of their frustration, a lot of people, including myself, when I first started out, I ran to pay ads, solo ads, YouTube ads, or whatever. Ads are great, but you got to have that solid foundation to prove your system works before you throw any ads money into your system. Otherwise, all those money are wasted. Unless you have a proper business, you have 5-figure budget per month, then you can hire proper marketing agencies, have them take care of ads for you. But for ordinary people like you and me, we don't have that kind of budget when we first started out. That's why I spent a lot of time, and me and Nate and also our team master the organic traffic on all kinds of social media platforms. Today I want to show you this crazy strategy. So you guys see my screen, right? If this is a new app, I want you guys to download this app. It's called Threads. You see this one? The black icon here is a new platform just launched by Meta, Facebook, Instagram yesterday. So you guys want to jump on this trend, especially if you are a beginner. I haven't do much, but I'm going to show you how I gain followers without doing much. So this is our brand new account. From 2,100 followers when I made this post like 1 hour ago to now, if you pay attention to it, right now we have 2,592 followers, additional 400 followers within 1 hour. 2,592 followers, I would say since last night. I only found this out from Chris, one of our coaches. We inside our inner circle, people are talking about it. I was wondering what's this. So I downloaded the app before I go to bed last night. I did a couple things on it. This morning I woke up with 2,100 followers. And now we have 2,500 followers. With that kind of followers, if you build your followers on TikTok, if you build your followers on Instagram, how long does it take you to gain 2,500 followers? With this, we got this done within a couple hours, okay, within 12 hours. Let me jump right into it, what you should do. So number one, download this app. Let me show you again. It's called Thread. Just go to your app store, then download it. Download it, then set up your account. If you have an IG account, yes, you can link your IG and Thread together, okay? As a matter of fact, if you have IG account, you should link them together. Why? Because they serve different purpose. And this thread will be crazy because if you don't know about it, Twitter, Elon Musk just recently published the news. They're going to limit the traffic, limit how much content you can watch on Twitter. That I haven't confirmed that yet, but I already saw some news going on in the marketplace. Meta, Instagram, they just launched this threads. Very similar to Twitter, but they are working on to get all the followers from Twitter to this threads platform. That's why when you jump on it right now, it's so easy to help you gain followers. Once you create your account, okay, number one, on this post, I put our our account address there. So make sure you follow our main account, Wealth Warrior Official, so you can piggyback to see what kind of strategies, what kind of posts that we put out, how we nurture leads, how we turn this traffic into real money. But the very first step, you got to get some eyeballs. Otherwise, nobody knows about you, what you have to offer. It's going to be hard for you to make money. Once you have the followers, then I can teach you how to turn that followers into real money. You see, on this account, I only post 3 posts so far, and we got 2,500 followers. So this is what you should do. Number one, once you have the account, you want to go out there to follow some big influencer account. Let me give you an example. You can just search Green Carton. Okay, let's just say Green Carton. Wow, Green got over 131,000 followers already since last night. Because when I jumped on this platform last night, right, we got over 252 followers within 1 hour without us publishing anything yet. Within 1 hour, we got over 252 followers. And last night, Green Carton, this account, he only got 14,000 followers. That was the first time in my life I feel so close to Green Carton. He only got 14,000. We got 252. But this morning, he got over 131,000 followers already. So this is what you do. You just follow a couple big influencers account like Green Carton, Tony Robbins, or whoever you like. Follow big account. Do not spend their account. But remember the value bomb strategy that you guys are doing when you hang out in different Facebook groups. You look for opportunity to serve people, provide value, really help people out. Then that will gain attention to you. People gonna see you. You are the guy who really provide value. Naturally, you're gonna gain followers from there. And we're gonna take that same concept to this new platform. So what you need to do, just find a post you like. For example, let me see. Let's do this 175 replies. Just got off long vacation. Need to get back to work, but there's nothing like having water time with kids. So you want to comment on their post. So this is what I would do. I will copy it. I will go to ChatGPT actually. Go to ChatGPT. Write me a 20-word reply to this post. The post says, make sure your reply ends with an open-end question. Let's see what ChatGPT can come up with a proper answer. So I'm gonna hit enter. Okay, I don't like it because this question is addressed to Green Carton, right? I want to address to other viewers. Change the question to target 9 to 5 workers instead of addressing the question to the original post. Let's try that. I like it. Sounds like you had a great time. For those working 9 to 5, how do you balance family time and work commitments? That's it. This is it. When you do marketing, when you comment on other people's posts, or when you talk to people on DM, how do you keep the conversation going? It's that you always end your message with an open-ended question. So give people a chance to reply you back. The more reply you get, the social media platform will push that comment to more people. I'm gonna copy it, go back to Mr. Carton. I'm gonna drop my reply just like that. Sometimes I will post an image so people can see my face, but I'm just gonna do it like this. That's it. If you want to do it like how you do it on TikTok, smash some love icon to support other creators, other influencers as well. You want to get yourself in a mindset like always support other people first. Okay, on social media, the followers are earned. So how do you earn follower? You have to become a person that always willing to give back or willing to give in advance. So always support other people. Always support other people. So I'm gonna make this quick. So I'm just gonna do one of them. You can do the same thing, right? Go to Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins only made 2 posts, got 234,000 followers already. You're gonna do the same thing. Find the meaningful comments you want to reply. Use ChatGPT to help you to write a proper reply with an open-ended question. Then people gonna respond to your comment. Then that's gonna build a trend of comments. Then you're gonna gain a lot of followers from there. That's just a quick training. If you haven't done this, if you haven't registered your account, it's called Threads, Thread. Let me show you guys again, especially for students inside my coaching program. This is so new, just got launched yesterday. You guys want to jump on this one because think about it. This is just like Twitter. Is there any place that you can post like a very direct CTA, post your link, right, on any social media platform? No, but this will be your opportunity. Once you have built that following, I'm gonna teach you guys how to convert them into real money. Let me show you. It's called Threads, Threads. Threads. Go download it. on this post, after I finish this live, there's a link on this post. You can just click on it, then you can follow our account and just see what I'm gonna do in the next couple days. And if you have already got threads, our account is Wealth Warriors Official. We only have one official account. There are scammers out there. They're gonna tweak a little bit, change it to Wealth Warriors Officials or do something. But we only have one main account on IG and also on Threads. It's called Wealth Warriors Official. That's all. I just want to do this quick training with you guys. I will see you guys later. Let's go.